Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can share your OneDrive files with external users beside OneDrive. To do so, all you have to do is go into Google Chrome browser and log into OneDrive. Here I am already logged into my account in OneDrive. After that, go onto your file section from where you need to select the type of file that you want to share. To do so, all you have to do is just hover your mouse over it, and now you can see that a share option. If you simply click on it, you'll be able to see a pop-up appear on your screen. Now give it some time to load, and with due time it will load up on your screen. This is a pop-up where now you are able to copy the link and directly send it to any kind of person that you want through the names they have on OneDrive or groups of OneDrive, or even directly into their emails. If not, you can also copy the link of the data that you want to send directly. Here there is a option for copying the link, and also the option where anyone with the link can edit what you have sent them. So simply click on copy, and now you can see that if you click on Ctrl+C, the link will be copied into a clipboard. And now if you want to send it to someone, you can basically send it wherever you like, whether it is in your email, your WhatsApp, your Messenger, or even your Instagram or Facebook, depending upon the place where you want to send it into. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.